is going to be a tutorial on how to do anti-CLL on 2x2. Usually when doing advanced 2x2 speed solving, you start by making a side. When it's a solved side, like this, you just do the regular CLL algorithms. When you get a side permuted adjacently, there's a separate set of EG-2 algorithms to solve the cube from there. And when you get a diagonally permuted side, like this, you can learn a separate set of algorithms. However, this doesn't happen nearly as often as you getting an adjacently permuted side or a solved side. So since it's so uncommon, people don't really like to learn a whole new 42 algorithms just for something that only happens every 1 in 10 solves. So that's why anti-CLL was made. Anti-CLL is where you do a CLL algorithm, which just affects this layer, but instead of doing the one you'd normally do for the case, you do a different algorithm. Like instead of doing the algorithm to solve this, I do a different algorithm, and this different algorithm will leave the last layer permuted diagonally. And then what you can do is, now you've got two diagonally permuted layers, you just do R2, F2, R2, which doesn't take long at all. Here's an example of EG2. I can see a 3-move side easily, but I can't really see any fast layers I can make. So the fastest way to make a side is R2, U prime, R2. So now you've got a diagonal layer. So for this algorithm, usually I do that for CLL. However, with anti-CLL, you do the algorithm that will result in the opposite of that. So diagonally permuted layer. So instead, I do this algorithm, and then you'd have this diagonally permuted layer. Then you just do R2, F2, R2. So when you're doing CLL, when you get this case here, you normally do this algorithm. However, when you're doing anti-CLL, instead you do the opposite algorithm for that, which is this. That algorithm would solve this case here. So the anti-CLL algorithm for this one, the opposite algorithm, would be the first one I showed you on this cube. So those two algorithms correspond to each other. When you do one of those algorithms on the right case, it will solve it. When you do the other algorithm on that case, it will leave it opposite, like this. So those two algorithms are like a pair. So all we really need to know now is which algorithms are pairs with each other. So that's really what I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. This corresponds with this. 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 This case here is a bit different. Instead of doing it from the normal angle you would here with same and opposite, you just do a U2, so it's opposite and same. And that's the same with this algorithm. Instead of doing it where you'd normally do it from, which is same and opposite, you just do a U2 and do opposite and same. Okay, so that's all the cases. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you learn anti-CLL. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me.